again with another exciting episode of Upclosewithabena. Trust you all doing well. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and then subscribe for more videos. And then, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and also for tuning in. So today, I'll be teaching you how to make a very healthy smoothie using green leafy vegetables and fruits. Trust me, you're gonna love this recipe, and it's very healthy too. That's the most important thing anyways. So in this recipe, you will need a handful of freshly washed spinach and then some kale. You will also need some chopped pineapples, chopped mangoes, some ginger, and then freshly squeezed orange juice. Drinking healthy smoothies has lots of amazing benefits. It helps with dehydration, controls cravings, helps with weight loss, and also lowers the risk of cancer. So in making my smoothie, I'm going to start by adding my liquid base, which is my freshly squeezed orange juice. You can buy any orange juice of your choice, but since I'm going natural, I prefer using homemade. I will also add my chopped pineapples, and then I will add my chopped mangoes, add my ginger, and then add my spinach and kale, and I will blend. So I just realized my spinach and kale is too small, so I'm just adding a little bit of it. So we are all done. I'm gonna try this out and then I'll let you know how it goes. This smoothie is everything. Tastes so nice and then amazing. I'm actually happy because it's very healthy too, and then it's nice. So that'll be all for today's episode. Please don't forget to try this recipe at home and let me know what you think. Before I go, please don't forget to like, share and then subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.